Welcome to the Social Intelligence Channel. Have you ever found yourself suddenly drifting apart from a friend, wondering what went wrong? It's more common than you think, and the reasons behind this might surprise you. Friendships are a vital part of our lives, offering support, companionship, and a sense of belonging. Just like romantic relationships, they require effort and commitment to thrive. But sometimes, despite our best efforts, they can crumble unexpectedly. So, what makes some friendships collapse overnight? There are several factors that can contribute to the sudden demise of a friendship. Misunderstandings, for instance, can escalate quickly, leading to hurt feelings and resentment. When communication breaks down and issues are left unaddressed, it can create a rift that's difficult to bridge. Betrayal is another significant factor that can abruptly end a friendship. Whether it's a breach of trust or a perceived slight, feeling betrayed by someone close to us can be devastating. The bond of trust is hard to repair once it's broken, and sometimes it's just not possible to move forward. Changes in life circumstances can also lead to the sudden collapse of a friendship. When people move away, switch jobs, or experience significant life changes, their priorities and values may shift. This can create distance and tension, making it challenging to maintain the friendship. As we navigate our lives, it's essential to recognize that people grow and evolve, and sometimes their paths diverge. This natural process can be a difficult pill to swallow, especially if we're left feeling abandoned or replaced. Many of us have experienced the pain of a friendship ending suddenly. Facing situations where we had a falling out with a close friend due to a misunderstanding. We had been friends for years, but one unaddressed issue led to a rift that we couldn't overcome. These are tough experiences, but they teach us the importance of communication and addressing issues promptly. Studies have shown that people tend to drift apart when they experience significant life changes. For example, a study found that people who undergo major life transitions, such as a move or a job change, are more likely to lose touch with friends. This is because their priorities shift, and they may not have the same level of emotional energy to invest in their friendships. Personal anecdotes and studies alike suggest that communication is key to maintaining healthy friendships. When we communicate openly and honestly, we're more likely to resolve issues and strengthen our bonds. Conversely, when communication breaks down, it's easy for misunderstandings and resentment to build. Some people might argue that a friendship that's ended suddenly wasn't as strong as we thought. Perhaps it was a friendship that had been on shaky ground for a while, and the final blow was just the catalyst for its demise. While this perspective has merit, we believe that most friendships have the potential to be salvaged with effort and communication. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a friendship at risk and taking proactive steps to address issues can make all the difference. By communicating openly and honestly, we can build stronger, more resilient friendships that withstand life's challenges. If you've experienced a friendship ending suddenly, we'd love to hear about it in the comments. What were some of the factors that contributed to its demise? Share your stories and let's discuss. Also, be sure to check out our other video on how to resolve any dispute like a pro, step by step, for more insights and tips.